Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Jersey Nick Moto. I just wanted to do a quick video to tell you about my weekend plans. Tomorrow I'm leaving for the greatest race on earth. That's right, the Race of Gentlemen in Wildwood, New Jersey. If you don't know what it is, I'll leave a link below. Make sure you check it out. It's drag racing, bikes and cars from the 1940s and older right along the beach in Wildwood, New Jersey. There's going to be car shows, bike shows, live music, a bonfire, and most importantly, drag racing on the beach. If you have not heard about it, make sure you check it out in that link below. If you're going to the event and you see me walking around, come up, say what's up. I'll have a pocket full of Jersey Nick Moto stickers for you. If you're not going to the event, if you're not in the area, don't worry about it. As usual, I'm going to take you along for the ride, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. It's going to be a great weekend. I can't wait to pack up my old girl Lola here and hit the road on another road trip. Well, can I call it a road trip? I don't know. It's only 150 miles from my house. We'll call it a mini road trip. If you want to see a real road trip, make sure you check out my motorcycle road trips playlist. My girl here and I have been to all 48 states together, so go back and check that out if you haven't yet. So tomorrow afternoon, I'll be heading down to Wildwood, New Jersey. I'll be down there till Sunday. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. There'll be videos coming out when I come back. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for hitting that subscribe button. I'll see all you guys in the next video. Keep your head on a swivel out there. Later.